So I'm going to measure 1.5 inches. Okay, and now look at that, and I measure with my regular scale, which would be 1/8 of an inch. Okay, so 1.5 inches is equal to 1/8 of an inch on a regular ruler. All right, so you can use a regular ruler to draw this. So my room, the bedroom, is 14 feet in length. So I'm going to use an example. So I look at my scale and I see how far 14 feet is. 14 feet comes almost to the very edge. So what I'm going to do, I think I said 15 feet. I'm going to make it 14 feet because it's right here. Okay, so that's 14 feet. All right, so I have my straight edge. I can use regular straight edge if I want. Doesn't really make a difference as long as it's a straight edge. And I draw everything from that line. So I'm going to start with my line, nice and easy. So that's the length of my room. Okay. Now I know I'm going to have a window in there somewhere. All right. Let's say that the window is halfway through the room. So what's half of 14, which is 7. All right. So 7 would be how many inches? 84 inches. All right. So 16. Okay, so half of that would be what? So we can just know that this is, if we make this distance here, which is 10.5, but we know half of 10.5 is 5.25. So we go 5.25 would be the center of my window. Okay, now the window itself could be different sizes. Let's say a standard window. A standard window is going to be, let's say, 35 by 54. All right. So make it 36. Let's make it easier for ourselves. So 36. So if I have my scale, let's set it to 1.5 feet, be 3 feet. So I'm going to set it at 1.5. So it'd be 1.5. I'll put 1.5. And then I'm going to go to 1.5 again. So set that on 0, and that'll be 3. So that's my window, direction of my window. So I'm just going to lightly draw that line up from my window. I'm not worrying about the studs right now. I'm just going to draw a light line up here for my window, just so I know where my window is going to be. Okay, so my window is going to be there. I'm going to have another stud that's going to start here.